Need internet access while away from Wi-Fi? Turning on mobile data on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is quick and easy. Follow these simple steps to get connected in 2026. Method 1. Turn on mobile data using quick settings. Fastest method. The quickest way to enable mobile data is through the quick settings panel. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen once to open the notification panel. Swipe down a second time to expand the full quick settings menu. Look for the mobile data icon, which is usually represented by two vertical arrows. Tap the icon once to turn mobile data on. When mobile data is enabled, the icon will become highlighted or change color, typically blue depending on your device theme. You should also see a network indicator such as 4G, 5G, LTE or 5G Plus appear in the status bar near the signal strength icon. Method 2. Turn on mobile data through the settings app. If you cannot find the mobile data icon in quick settings, you can enable it through the phone settings. Open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap connections. Select data usage. Find the mobile data option. Toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, your phone will begin using your carrier's cellular network for internet access. That's all it takes to turn on mobile data on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and enjoy internet access wherever you go.